Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to Perkwork. So guys, this video is for those who want to start something in their programming and doesn't know how to start from. Or this video is for those who doesn't know how their next couple of months should look like in programming. Or this video is for those who are really very confused that where to start and how to start with programming. So basically in this video I'm gonna give you and tell you my principles and reasonings which I followed throughout my programming journey, and this will definitely going to boost you through your entire programming journey. So without any ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so guys, the first point is no matter what approach you take, keep things simple. So what do I mean by this? Okay, let me elaborate. So basically what I need to say is there are many technologies, there are actually many technologies which you can learn at this time, right? So basically you have web development, you have Android development, you have machine learning, you have blockchain, and you have certain other technologies as well. So out of these technologies, how will you decide that, okay, I need to learn this technology? So what you're gonna do is give a couple of months to every technology. Alright, so what you do is give the starting couple of weeks to this web development and the remaining 2 weeks to this Android development. So learn the basics of every technology. So once you find the interest, for example, you like the most Android development, so start studying Android development more. So go deeper into this technology. So guys, the second point which comes is no collecting of codes. So what do I mean by this? So what I've seen in people is some people trying to get more of the courses they can get from different resources, right? So what I've seen is they are buying a course on Udemy and a course on Coursera and learning from both of the courses. So this is not the right way. From my side, this is not the right way because learning from different courses is something which is not efficient, right? So completing a single course either on Udemy and Coursera can work in a more efficient way. So what you can add on to this is you can buy a high rated book from Amazon and you can start reading the books on the same technology you're learning. So guys, the next point which comes is build projects, right? So what do I mean by building projects? So basically whatever technology you're learning, start building projects on every topic you learn, right? So basically if you're learning web technology, then start building projects on every topic that you learn. For example, if you start learning CSS and HTML, then start building a project on these topics, right? So moreover, when you start gaining knowledge about certain other topics like JavaScript and backend technologies like Node.js, then you start adding on these to the same project that you are working on from the starting. So basically building projects is one of the efficient way to gain the knowledge of the topic you are learning with and the technology you are learning. So with this I conclude that building projects is one of the most great way to learn any of the technology. So if you like the video, if you think that these points definitely you are adding to your programming journey, then do subscribe the channel and do like the video as well. So thanks for watching.